Hello, we are doing a video and this is a short tutorial on how to install and configure the NavBar Temp plugin for Octoprint. You can see the output of the plugin highlighted in the red box.
NavBar is a small plugin and a great tool to monitor all 3D printing temperatures from the Octoprint navigation bar. You can be looking at the controls, viewing the G-code file, or watching the webcam, all whilst also monitoring the important temperatures. NavBar also allows custom variables to be displayed in the NavBar. We will set up the date as an example.
Here's how to install the plugin. Navigate to the Octoprint homepage, click on the settings wrench, scroll down to Plugin Manager, and click on the Get More radio button. In the search box, type in NavBar Temperature plugin. When it comes up, click Install. Wait for the install to complete successfully, and then when it comes up, click the Reboot radio button on the top right hand corner of your screen. After Octoprint is rebooted, you'll see the SOC, tool, and the bed temperature. The tool temperature refers to the hot end temperature. You now have a couple of configuration options. From the Octoprint homepage, click on the settings wrench and navigate to NavBar Temperature plugin. You can display the internal temperature of the device running Octoprint, use short names to save space, and also make more room in the navbar. You can change the internal temperature display name, which is currently set to SOC. You can also add Octoprint variables. For example, if you add the command name date and give it the display name date, it will display the date along with the temperature.
And that's it all set up. Thank you for watching and happy printing. You can check out more 3D printing videos on our channel.